Okay, we got our head all sanded down, so we're going to get ready to paint it. We've sanded it all down, we've sealed it good. We went around and did around the horns here, sealed that there, sanded it down. So now we're ready to start with our base paint. And first thing you want to do is take a damp cloth and you want to wipe it all off. Get all that sawdust off of there, so wipe it clean so that's clean. So we're going to paint the head, we're going to base paint the back of the head, we got the mouth here, we're going to paint this. We've got hands and feet that I've already done these and painted them. You can see how I made these on earlier videos. So we got the feet here. So that's done, and I'm just going to use just a normal base paint. You can get any craft store or Walmart, Kmart, any of those kind of stores where they sell artist supplies, you can get that. So we're going to start with get this painted here and let it dry. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're probably going to put 2 coats on this normally to get it sealed and where it's nice. Then we'll be able to start painting it. So I'll put the 1 coat on, and then you might I might use 220 grit sandpaper and sand it down if it looks a little rough, and then put a 2nd coat on. But if it looks okay, I'll just go ahead and do a 2nd coat. You can see what we're doing there. So we're going to go ahead and get everything here painted, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.